Tired of paying for ads that nobody trusts anymore? Here's a fact. People don't buy from the loudest voice online. They buy from the most trusted one. And the best part? You don't need a single dollar in ads to build that trust. Whether you're a small content creator, a small business owner, or a real estate agent, today I'll show you exactly how to build real credibility online using only your content and consistency. First, be transparent. Show the process, not just the product. If you're a realtor, talk about the challenges of finding the right home. If you're a creator, share the mistakes you made early on. People connect with honesty, not perfection. Next, educate your audience. When you teach something valuable, people start seeing you as an expert. For example, if you're in real estate, make sure short videos explaining how credit scores affect buying power or how to avoid hidden costs. That type of content builds authority very fast. Third, let others speak for you. Screenshot of real messages, reviews, or clients shout out saying more than any ad ever could. Social proof equals trust currency. Use it wisely on your website and social pages. And lastly, consistency beats everything. Post regularly even when engagement feels low. The more people see your face, your voice, or your logo, the more familiar and trustworthy you become. Familiarity builds confidence. So remember, you don't need big budgets or fancy ads. Just transparency, value, social proof, and consistency. That's the real formula for digital trust. And if you want help creating that kind of content, we've got you back at Brand Locally because trust is built, not boosted. And that's all for today. I hope you like this kind of content. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.